everyone and welcome. Today we'll be looking at the importance of Adsense to YouTube creators. Now, what is Adsense? Adsense for YouTube is a program that allows eligible YouTube creators to earn money from their video. And here's how it works. 1. Eligibility. For you to participate in Adsense for YouTube, you must meet YouTube's partner program requirements, which includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. Next, ad placements. Once you're eligible, YouTube may place ads on your videos such as skippable ads. These are short ads that viewers can skip after a few seconds. Non-skippable ads. These are short ads that viewers must watch before the video starts. Overlay ads. These are transparent ads that appear in a corner of the video. Sponsored cards. These are cards that appear during the video promoting other channels or products. Revenue sharing. You can earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. The amount you earn can vary based on factors like the ad type. Different ad types have different revenue models. Viewer engagement. Higher viewership and engagement generally lead to higher earnings. Then we have what we call ad competition. The number of advertisers competing for ad space on your video can also affect your earnings. Let's look at some key points. Monetization. Adsense for YouTube is one of the primary ways YouTube creators monetize their content. Eligibility requirements. Meeting the partner program requirements is essential for accessing Adsense for YouTube. Revenue factors. There are several factors that influence how much you earn from Adsense, including ad type, viewer engagement, and ad competition. If you are a YouTube creator looking to monetize your content, Adsense for YouTube is a valuable program to consider. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.